Dice is on the beat.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Ashley Sade. Today I'll be showing you guys how I got this beautiful blonde Beyonce kind of inspired hair color. It is more so of a freestyle than it is technical, so anybody should be able to do it. As you can see, this hair started off really pretty wavy. This is a yaki pre-made wig, whatever, that I got from beautyforeverhair.com. So it is 20 inches and I got it already made because I was feeling real lazy and all I wanted to do was cut and color it. Here are the pictures of the look that I was going for. So right here I am taking out the front two pieces. Y'all know how people have those front two pieces that are a little bit more of an icier blonde than the rest of the hair. That's what this section is for. As you can see, I already have the hair sectioned off into how I'm going to be coloring it. And also right here, the hair is already pressed and cut. So starting from back here, we're gonna gradually work our way up with the angle. So I'm gonna go ahead and start from back here and back here. Let's go ahead and comb it out around this area. And you want it to be fully saturated. Again, harsh, so that's why you take the brush and you go into vertical. But make sure that the hair is fully saturated. So this is the picture that I'm using for the color that I'm doing right now. But instead of doing one full solid color, I wanted the color to fade. And I also had already did the cut of the face frame and all of that. So that's exactly how the hair is going to fall. And that's why I'm starting from the back of the hair and making my way to the front of the head so that it can get that nice fade. And you just want to go in and tweak it. As you can see here, there is a big jump from the back part to the middle part. So I'm going to go in and add some more color so that it can have a gradual fade and not be real choppy. Want to repeat these same steps for the other side of the head. That's better. I'm going to throw some highlights in this thing, and because I'm going to throw some highlights in this thing, I actually decided to use 40 volume developer, and I'm going to start here with this section of hair that's going to be framing the face. So for the sides, I'm not gonna do the real technique of weaving because I just don't feel like it. But as you can see, that's how the color turned out. It's nice. Of course, I'm gonna tone and everything. So I'm gonna go through in some sections, and I'm gonna just weave out some pieces. And those are going to be the highlights. Moving on to the toner process, I have these two toners. T14, which is more of a cool tone. This is going to give you a pale ash color. And then I have T35, which is more so of a golden color. So I'm going to use the T14. I'm only going to use a little bit. I'm going to use it around the frame of the face where I did the lighter color. And then I'm going to use this for the rest. T14. Again, everything must be very well saturated. So guys, that is it. A real quick and easy way on how to get, it won't quick, I lied, but it is easy on how to get this beautiful blonde, like triple blonde color. I don't know, it's really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.